Hello coin engineers, let's dive into another testnet video and mint our test NFTs for a possible airdrop. You can subscribe to our channels and join our Telegram community to keep up with these events. Now, let's get started. Zora is a platform that empowers creators to issue and sell their own digital items, including art, music, videos, and more. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, Zora provides a decentralized marketplace where creators can connect directly with their audience, establish ownership rights, and engage in transparent transactions. With the Zora API, creators can easily mint and create their digital items. The Zora API allows developers to build applications and services that integrate with the Zora protocol. It offers a range of functionality, including creating and managing digital items, handling auctions and sales, verifying ownership, and retrieving metadata associated with items. One of the key features of the Zora protocol is the ability to establish and verify ownership of digital items. The Zora API provides methods to check the ownership status of an item, ensuring that only rightful owners have the control and access to their creations. This metadata plays a vital role in providing additional context and information about digital items. The Zora API is a powerful tool that provides developers, digital creators, and collectors with the ability to interact with the Zora protocol. This innovative platform enables the creation, ownership, and trading of digital goods in a decentralized and secure manner. You must have a Metamask wallet and Goerli faucet tokens for this transaction, and if you don't know how to, you can watch our Metamask tutorials. After requesting your faucet tokens through one of these websites, connect your wallet to this bridge option and send some of that faucet Ethereum to your newly activated Zora network. Later, come to this webpage, again connect your Metamask wallet and start minting your NFTs on both Goerli and Zora networks. It is simple. Select a document from your computer that can be a picture or anything else that is supported here. Then add the requested parts like their name, description, value, mint price, and duration. And once you complete these steps, you can customize your collections further with different background designs. Do all these because it's a testnet and the whole point is to test every single option possible. To double check, you can look at your profile to see your minted NFT collections. Good luck!